French American coffee shop on the pavement. So today I show you how Vietnamese people enjoy their coffee in their own style. And I did order a traditional coffee. The coffee filter in front of me is a coffee filter, and I show you. This is called the filter, and they put the ground coffee inside, like this. After pouring the ground coffee, they will add some hot water in this filter and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let the coffee condense with the hot water. They will put the top on it, just 2 presses, so like this. And then you see, the water will pouring down one by one, like this. And we will wait for maybe 2 or 3 minutes to get to make the water pouring down completely, and we cover the lid to make it warm. Outside is also hot, and a good tips is that to make the best taste, before you pouring the ground coffee into the filter, you should make the filter hot, and this made up still don't everywhere they will use the filter made up still, so that they can make the best taste. Don't use the plastic or any kind of material. And then we wait for the coffee. You can serve it hot like this, and remember to add some condensed milk. I love to drink coffee with milk, and for foreigners, they experience that Vietnamese people drink really strong coffee. They have a strong taste, but for me, I don't drink that much strong. I will add the condensed milk into the coffee, and then add a lot of ice, many cube ice here. Then later, when the coffee pouring down, I will pouring into another glass, and remember to use the glass cup. It will make a good taste, and then you will stir it up. Let's see if the coffee is ready or not. Not yet ready. So while you're waiting for the coffee to be ready, you can have a nice chat with your friends. So just wait and see what will happen. And my friend Kim, she's what are you eating? What are you enjoying?
Yogurt.
Yeah, she's having yogurt with ice, right? And popcorn. She may get hungry, so she eats popcorn.
It's my life dinner.
Really? And yeah.
After a long walk around this, like I get a bit hungry. My stomach is a bit empty. And I need some fruit.
Yeah, very simple coffee shop with simple chair, really small chair, and also small table. People will wonder why they use really small chair and tiny table here. Just because they do the business on the pavement, so they have to save the space. And more important, it's not allowed to do business on the pavement, but the local people do because of because they need to earn a living for their life, and when the police come, they can escape quickly. They can take away, they can move all their properties away quickly. So that's the reason. But try at least once when you visit Vietnam, because it's really unique here. And in Vietnam, everyone is trying to making some money, even if it's little money. Like the man in front of you, he's selling some hot dog, I think, and some snack. The other side, they are selling the bowl for the children, for the kids. Life in Vietnam, as I see, is really comfortable for almost everyone. Everyone is happy with this life. Even they have little income, they still enjoy the life. They go out or with their friends and children. Yeah, there is a coffee shop inside, but we do not want to come there. We love to stay on the pavement. Sometimes we love to stay on the pavement and observe other people or what they do, or sometimes simply just sit in front of the street and observe the daily life. People pass by and yeah, we look at them and smile and this and that. This is really simple. Okay, I must come back. I guess the coffee is ready. I will check if it's ready or not. Yeah, I think so. It is ready. So I will press it one more time to make sure that the water come down completely. Yeah. So I have the coffee now. So now what am I going to do? I will add milk, I'm pouring milk into the coffee. There is no spoon here. Oh yeah, I know this. There is a spoon. I should use the spoon instead. Maybe I will be sleepless tonight. I'm allergic to coffee, but just because I want to show you how Vietnamese coffee made. So today
Sacrifice your sleep.
I sacrifice my sleep for you, for this video,
The second video.
so that you can have an overview of it. And now I'm going to stir it up, and you will notice that the color of this cup will be turned from black to brown, because the coffee is mixed with the condensed milk. So I stir it up like this, and it's turned into brown. I can see that the color is changing. You also can see, right? Yeah. And this is for hot coffee. It's turned to brown already. And now I'm going to add ice into it, because I don't like the strong taste of coffee.
Are you sure? A
Yeah.
lot of ice like.
Do you want some coffee? Add into this one. It will make a good taste.
I want to sleep well at night.
So tomorrow is Sunday. I will stay awake all night tonight. I will add it like this. I'm really not really good at this. Okay. Done. And now again I stir it up and mix this up
Stick it up.
like this. So the coffee is ready. It smells so good. And yeah, would you like to enjoy it with me? Welcome you to Hanoi. Do let me know. Do let me know when you are in Hanoi. I will invite you Vietnamese coffee, and maybe I will make the coffee by myself, and I invite you. Okay. See you in the next video.